Okay, getting ready for tomorrow's meeting with the guy Paul. But here's pretty much how we're going to win this grant. It's what the government's looking for: advanced LED package die integration chip on board. That's exactly what this is. No matter what cover we put on it, plastic or an IP67 cover, such as this used by DuraGuard. This is an LG unit on their fixtures, and they're terribly overpriced. We can buy these same modules ourselves for $15.50. They want about $1,000 for these fixtures. Ridiculous. But anyway, more efficient use of components and raw materials. You know, here's everybody wants to use old existing housings, weigh 50 some pounds, all the thermal management necessary. All these housings are all made in China. They're too costly to produce here in the United States. Raw material cost is, as you know, $150, $160, terribly expensive. When you can utilize extrusions, we can have produced by SAPA here in the United States. This is produced in the United States. All the assembly is done in the United States. This fixture probably weighs 20 pounds. This fixture, as you know, weighs 50 pounds. Simplified thermal designs. Well, it doesn't get any easier than when you're dealing with extrusions to properly managed thermals, so that's a no-brainer. Each one of these modules has its own built-in circuit board, and they're independently thermally managed. So that is another fail-safe that's built into this technology. Weight reduction. Well, we just went over that. All of these, all the wind ratings on poles. Poles are produced as heavy as they are to support fixtures such as this. If poles need to be produced or will be produced to hold the weight of these fixtures, you can go pretty much straight to fiberglass on everything. Optimized designs for efficient and low-cost manufacturing. Well, it doesn't get any easier than this. You cut the extrusion to length, mount the ballast on the inside. These modules easily mount. Quick connects. You have no secondary optics like you do in the old style fixtures. You have to deal with secondary optics and all that other crap. And with this design, there's no secondary optics. Very easy to assemble. Increased integration of mechanical, electrical, and optical functions. Well, there's built-in optics. There's no secondary optics. That's light years, no pun intended, ahead of this here and what you see. Reduced manufacturing costs. Yeah, again, it's terribly reduced, or ecstatically reduced, because of the fact that the raw material cost of the housing and the lower cost of LED power supplies, and these modules right now at between $11 and $12, and the government current status shows a price of technology of LED at $50 per 1,000 lumens. Well, we're at 800 and some lumens, and we're at $11. And by 2015, they want it down to $10. We're right on the cusp of that right now. So the other factors that we already have existing sales channels. We've private label product for GE before. We've private label product for Philips. So we already have the sales channels. And the UL files and ETL files that we can add these products to. Once these products are done, they're immediately put into distribution and in use. So I think we've got a really, really good shot at this, and I'm pretty excited to meet with Paul and go over these gazillion pages of documents. We've already got pretty much everything pre-registered. So this right here is going to be the game changer.